Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I have a 2019 Kia Cerato, and one of the videos that always seems to be very helpful is how to replace the headlight bulbs. So now on this you actually got two headlight bulbs. You've got the dipped beam over here and the main beam that's down the front there. So again, dipped beam and main beam. So to do this we're going to have to open up the bonnet. So come over to the driver's side. And we're just going to pull this lever here, come back to the front of the car, just above the Kia badge there's a lever, push that to the left, and then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, just have a look around at the lights and you'll actually notice on the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle there's much more space. So for the sake of this video I'll actually show you these bulbs. However, on the other side of the car there is some obstacles in the way, which is a little bit more tricky. But I'll just quickly show you now some tips. So if I was doing this side on the dipped beam, I'd actually remove the fuse box cover like so, and that allows you just to get your hand in a little bit easier to do it. Again, it's still pretty tight, and that is for the dipped beam. And for the main beam, you actually have to take the lid of the air filter and just stow that out the way, and again that just gives you more space to get down there and do the bulb. Like I say, for this video I'll just show you the other side because it's much easier to film. As I said, I'm going to show you the bulbs to the right hand or the driver's side unit, which first off we'll start with the dipped beam. So you'll actually see a big sort of round cover, so you're just going to twist that. It takes about half a turn to take it off and put that to the side. Now if you look in there, there's two things you can do. We can actually remove the electrical connection and take the bulb out, or take the bulb out then remove the electrical connection, which is what I'm going to do. And all you're going to do is just turn the bulb to the side and then slowly withdraw it. So like I say, I've left the electrical connection on there now, so we're a bit tricky to do this one-handed. So I'll just go in and there we go. So that's the bulb removed. So this is the dipped beam, and the bulb reference is on the back, and that is HB3 U9005HL plus, and it looks exactly like that. So much the same in reverse. I would actually put the electrical connection back on it first. Make sure you don't actually touch the glass with your fingers, and then we'll go ahead and put that back in. And then we're going to go ahead, get our cover plate, put that back on and make sure that's locked in. Hopefully you've been able to see that on the video. So that was the dipped beam, which is this one here. And for the main beam, much the same. We've got this round cover here, so you're just going to take that off, which looks like that. And then you can just see the bulb inside. And again, we're going to go in there and we're going to turn that bulb and pull that straight out with the electrical connection still on. So this one actually is a push fit, so you can push the bulb straight in. So the plastic can actually stay on the car with the electrical connection. Just trying to find a number for you. So this is a H7 bulb, and that is for your high beam. So making sure that tab is always locked into the plastic there when you change the bulb, and you do just pull this out and push the new one straight in as well. Again, make sure you don't get your greasy fingers on the bulb. Much the same, we're going to put that straight back in. Just have it a quarter turn. And then we go ahead and replace our cover plate. Like so. And that's how easy it is to remove and replace the light bulbs on a 2019 Kia Cerato. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my videos and subscribe to my channel.